Damn.
You know what this game makes me feel like?
Oh yeah,
What?
the haunted dungeon on like Plus.
Yo, early.
What?
Kill yourself.
Ladies first.
Illusion.
Oh,
Illusion.
the Eddie when you're so lady, man.
Illusion. You know in like old cartoons when like people got angry? You know what this game makes me feel like?
Oh god.
Mario, bro, what happened to like supporting the kids and stuff? Why are you vaping, man?
I'm like, can I garbage?
No hope for this game. There's really no hope. I don't know if that's a real one or a fake one. I can't tell.
Thanks, out.
Thing like shoot the ceiling.
I'm gonna shoot myself, bitch. Fuck do you mean?
I was like American dude.
America, fuck yeah, it's today not 5 PM where I'm at.
Yes! I'm sorry, I had to. Oh my fucking god, I did minus KOCMOC finally, man. Oh. I had to get out of me.
Hold on. I'm about to do a boba mode every time he joins Rythia,
Oh
okay?
fuck, dude. Finally,
Look guys,
man!
I'm boba, I don't exist anymore. I'm just a game mode in Rythia.